Hi everyone. In this video we are going to see new catalog for the Kalamkari cotton sarees. We'll start seeing the video. ఏదైనా పర్లే ఏదైనా ఇవ్వు ఇది అంతే ఓకే రెండు పొరలు ఓకే రెండు పొరలు ఇవ్వు నెక్స్ట్ so this is the first saree. So this is completely a new catalog that I haven't posted yet. So the design you can see, this is random mango and a floral design mix. This is on the white color background with the blue color, white and blue color combination. So this is how it looks, a very pleasant and a very nice beautiful color combination this is. So this is in the white and the blue. So this is the border you will be getting with the mango design, mango and the floral design. These are pure lightweight cotton sarees. So this is how it looks, nice white, half white with the blue color combination. This is okay. The price of all these new catalog cotton sarees are 750 each. Blouse. So this is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful. I'll show you. Blouse akkada chupinchadu. So blouse you will be getting it in the white color background only. That is the blouse pattern. Okay, blouse you will be getting on the white background with the mango and the floral design with the big border. So this border you will be getting it for the hands. Okay, that's the blouse and this is the saree pattern with the blue color. And pallu, you have got a very beautiful pallu. So this is the pallu. See the lady how beautifully she is sitting. So this is also a kind of traditional art kind of. So this is very beautiful scenery, a lady sitting very beautiful and posed in the middle of an flower garden. So this is the pallu you will be getting, and this is the floral with the mango design, cream color saree. Okay, so this is how it looks. The price of this is 750 each. These are new catalog sarees and completely new designs. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. This is the first saree, saree number 1. This is saree number 2. Yeah, saree number 2 is in the mustard yellow color. So this is the design. You can see this is also a mango design with the floral mix. So this is the original color, mustard orange color or the mustard yellow color. This is with the red color flowers. So this is the small border you will be getting. So this is the small mango design border you will be getting for the saree. This is mustard yellow color. So this kind of more design or the messy design, it looks very good when you drape the saree. I'll show. Yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the highlight part for this saree. All the saree is in the mustard yellow color with the floral and mango design. Only the border you will be getting it in the cream design. So when you put on the steps, it comes exactly on the shoulder. Blouse. Sorry. Single for me baby. Okay, so this is the blouse design. So this is the blouse design you will be getting. Blouse is in the cream color background with the mango and the floral design. Okay, this is how it looks. Pallu is again the same, that beautiful lady sitting. So with the color contrast there is a difference. So this is the pallu, very beautiful pallu. This is the complete picture of the lady sitting here. Okay, the price is 750 for these as well. This is saree number 2, mustard yellow with the white color combination, the red floral. The price of this is also 750. Okay, the next one is in the white color, white and orange color, very pretty and a subtle color combination. You can see this is the border. The border is very beautiful one. Let's see. So it's a very cute one. It's a kind of Radha Krishna or the king or the queen design. So she's trying to put the hair, and the lady here is holding the mirror. See how beautifully it is crafted and colored. So this is the design in the border. On both the sides you'll be getting this design. So this traditional kind of motifs, it is the same motifs. So see how beautiful and cute design it is. So king and the queen, and the maid is holding the mirror. So the saree also designs tells a story kind. So this is the floral, This is the floral design that you get on the body of the saree. So cream and the orange color, very beautiful one. So so that's the blouse piece. Blouse you will be getting it with the flower bouquet design in the cream color background. This way. So this is the saree with the blouse. Saree you will get the white beige color floral in the middle, and on the both the sides complementing with the orange color border. Okay, the pallu the pallu is in the peacock design. Nice beautiful peacock this is. See how beautiful it is, the peacock. Full open peacock with the feathers. So this is the pallu you'll be getting for all this time. For the new catalog, for all the sarees, the pallu is really beautiful. Okay, this is saree number 3, cream floral with the orange color border on both the sides. The price is 750. Next is green. Wow, it's a very nice combination saree in the same pattern in different color combinations. So this is a green with the green blue color combination. So this is the border that I have already described in the previous saree. So this is the border, and this is the body of the saree that you will be getting in the floral design. So okay, this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, the saree green with the blue color combination. Chupinchu. Okay, the blouse is in the black and white color pattern. So the same kind of blouse you will be getting. So it is a contrast blouse. So this is how it looks. This color combination is very pretty, and this is also a fancy color combination. And again, a beautiful peacock, full open peacock. You will be getting it in the pallu according to this color combination. So this is the pallu. So this is the saree. It's a very beautiful color combination, and also a fancy color combination. Green with the blue color. So this is how it looks. It looks very good if you put the steps, or if you put it on the single layer also, it's very good. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, green with the blue color combination. The price of this is also 750. Next saree. Next saree is the most famous and the hit design. This is black elephant saree. We have it's a very soft also. In most of the kalamkari sarees, other than the colored sarees, the black and beige color combination sarees comes very soft, because these are the original colors that we get dyed. This is a black elephant saree. This is the most famous and the best selling saree this is. So this is the black elephant saree. You will be getting the small border at the end of the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. That's the blouse piece. Blouse you will be getting small muggu design kind of blouse with the black and beige color combination. That's the blouse piece, and this is the saree. Okay, this pallu you will be getting it in the peacock with the floral design. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll write it and show. Black elephant design saree. This is also a very best selling saree. So this is how it looks. Okay, the price of this is also 750. Black elephant design saree. This is how it looks. This is completely in the black and beige color combination. Okay. This is also floral design saree. This is the floral design. You will be getting it on the beige background, and this is the lemon yellow color border dyeing. So this is the border dyeing saree with the lemon yellow pattern. So this also, all these are comes under the new catalog only. The price of this is also 750. Border dyeing saree, pure cotton lightweight saree. So most of my customers has reviewed what it is, the when you drape it also it feels like silk, but it's not silk. These are very finest quality cotton sarees. So these are very lightweight, and it is not thick cotton sarees. The thread count of the saree is more, so that you will get a very nice and the finest quality cottons. So that's the blouse piece for this. You will be getting a floral blouse piece on the pink color background, because you are having a pink color floral design on the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. Border dyeing saree with the cream color background, lemon yellow color saree. Okay, this is how it is. Lemon yellow, very beautiful border dyeing saree. Pallu, this is the pallu. You will be getting a new design pallu. This is. So this is a new design pallu you will be getting. Okay, lemon yellow border dyeing saree with the floral. The price is 750. Next, in the border dyeing in the same pattern you are getting the maroon background. So the same floral design background, and this is the border dyeing in the maroon color. Okay, this is in the dark maroon color, very beautiful. The border dyeing saree is one of my favorite model sarees, so they look very good. So yeah, the same kind of blouse you will be getting. On the pink color background you will be getting a floral design blouse for this. So this is in the maroon color combination, cream and maroon color. See, these sarees are very lightweight, and the quality of the saree is very, you know, thin cottons. Durability is more, and also the maintenance is also low. You really don't need a starch for this cotton sarees. You don't need starch. You can use as a regular wear without starch, just machine wash only. The first wash, initially you wash it separately because these are all dyed colors with the hand. So okay, this is how it looks. Border dyeing saree with the cream color background. The same kind of pallu you will be getting for this also. This is the pallu. Okay, the price is 750. Next is another. This is also a new pattern we have made. The zigzag design with the border dyeing. See how beautiful it is. Most of the people like the zigzag pattern design. So this is a zigzag design with the, yeah, this is a zigzag design, and this is the border dyeing. Okay, blouse. So that's the blouse piece on white color background. Small cute drops design, water drops design blouse you will be getting on the cream color background. Okay, this is how it looks. Very pretty, very pretty it is, and the cotton is also very smooth and very comfortable on the skin. Okay, whoever sees this video, you can please drop your comments in the comment box who have already got cotton sarees from me. It will be very useful because summers are around. I wanted to bring more and more cotton sarees for daily use, and also party wear kind of cotton sarees. Please do comment your reviews in the comment box, because we don't have a review box in the Instagram. It will be useful for the other customers also to buy. So this is the pallu, nice big peacock pallu you will be getting. So this zigzag, colorful zigzag with the lemon yellow color border dyeing. This is new design in this in the new catalog. We have tried this design for the first time. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Baga aనిపిస్తుందా? Okay, this is how it is. A colorful zigzag, small zigzag with the lemon yellow color border on both the sides. Okay, the price is 750 each. Before we have seen the peach in the border dyeing. So this is the dyeing saree. The peach color, the body is in the dark peach color, and this is the border you will be getting, the mango design border. Okay, dyeing saree, very pretty dark, nice peach color design. This is also a fancy color as well. That's the blouse piece. Blouse piece also a very cute design, you know, mango design, and with the floral with the flower kind of design. So this is a very cute design as well. Okay, this is a peach color dyeing saree. Completely body is in dyeing, and the border you will be getting it in the design. Okay, this is only one dyeing saree in this new catalog. Generally dyeing sarees are more costly than compared to that of the normal saree, but we are giving it at the same price. See, on both the sides you will be getting this black background border. This is the peach color. See how pretty it is. I really liked it. So this is the pallu. Pallu you will be getting it in the peacock design. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 750. Nice pretty peach color, Kanakambram color kada. This is Kanakambram peach color or Badami peach, you can mention it as. The price is 750. Next we are going to see some handprint designs. So this is in the background is in the Kargil or in the mint green, or you know what is that, moong green. The background is in the moong green design. So this is this kind of messy print you will get it only in the hand print sarees. So this is how it is. This is like original karamkari design. So these are all hand print sarees. You will be getting a small border here in the bottom with the floral border. Lighting undi kada penchna. So okay, this is how it is. This is the background is in the Kargil color, or you can see it is in the moong green color. So that's the blouse piece. Blouse piece you'll be getting the border here, and the blouse piece is in the white background. This is the saree is in the Kargil green color background, and the blouse piece is in the white color background. The same kind of design that I have shown, you'll be getting. So this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu you'll be getting. For this, the pallu pattern will be little different. You will not get peacocks and all, other than that of the hand print sarees. These are those are block print sarees, kalamkari. Both are handmade, but these are termed as original kalamkari because of the design you get it on the saree. For this kind of sarees only, you'll be getting this kind of pallu. This is the pallu. The price of this hand print ekku kada normal kanna. Okay. So this is the moon green color hand print saree. The price of the saree is 850. Other all the sarees which I have shown are 750. These sarees are a bit more priced than that of the normal kalamkari sarees because of the work. Okay, this is in the moon green color with this mango and the floral design. The price is 850. Next. So this is the next saree in the white background with the yellow color and the maroon color border. So this is in the white floral hand print sarees. Okay, this is very beautiful when you put it on, other than when you see. Okay, these are also very lightweight and very smooth cottons. The cottons are very less maintainable because the cottons are very smooth. See, it's not rough at all, and it is wavy also. It feels like, to see it feel like silk because it is very lightweight, these cottons, but it is not transparent cotton. I'm just clarifying it. Blouse, that's the blouse piece on the red color background with the yellow color highlight given. So this highlight it looks very good when you stitch the sleeves for the elbows. So this is the pallu. As I told, this kind of pallu only you'll get it for the hand print sarees. Okay, this is the pallu you'll be getting. Blouse you have already seen. So this is how it looks on the white color background. Red, yellow and the blue color floral this is. So on both the sides you will be getting the small yellow border. Okay, this is how it looks. The price of this is also 850. All the hand print sarees, all the sarees are for 850. This is how it looks. Okay, yeah, hope it's clear. Next. ఇది అమ్మ వేసుకున్నది కదా.